really, really,
reality, real, realistic, unrealistic, unreal, really, realistically.
Used to give particular importance to a verb, especially a modal verb.
I really must call Ursula this week. You really shouldn't worry.
Used to express interest or surprise.
Apparently she's leaving. Really? When? She's agreed to do a parachute jump for charity. Really? Do you think she'll do it?
Late, late,
Late. Late. Late, latest, lately, later.
After the planned, expected, usual or necessary time.
Catherine's just phoned to say she's working late this evening. The rains came late this year.
book, book,
Book. Book. Booking. Book.
To arrange to use or do something at a particular time in the future.
She'd booked a table for two at their favorite restaurant. You need to book a seat on the train to Edinburgh. Book earlier in advance to get a good room.
head, head,
Head. 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 Heading. Head.
The person in charge of a school.
You'll have to ask the head for permission.
sock, sock,
A piece of clothing that you wear on your foot inside your shoe.
A pair of socks. Woolen or cotton socks. Ankle or knee socks.
weekly, weekly,
Week. Weekly. Weekly.
Happening once a week or every week.
A weekly magazine or report. A twice-weekly meeting. The fire alarm has a weekly test or is tested weekly.
fifth, fifth,
Fifth written as a word.
The fifth floor of the building. Tomorrow is the 5th of September. Fill. Fill.
To make a container or space full, or to become full.
I filled the bucket with water. I drank my tea while the bath was filling. Video game. Video game.
A game in which you make pictures move on a screen.
He plays a lot of video games. Washing machine. Washing machine.
A machine for washing clothes, sheets, and other things made of cloth.
Could you empty or load the washing machine, please?
badminton, badminton,
A sport for 2 or 4 people in which you hit a light object with feathers over a net.
We had a game of badminton.
dressed, dressed,
Dress, dress, undress, dressed, undressed.
Wearing clothes and not naked.
I usually get dressed before I eat breakfast. He was dressed in a dark gray suit. They arrived early and I wasn't fully dressed.
Superlative. Superlative.
Superlative. Superlative.
Superlative. Superlative.
The form of an adjective or adverb which expresses that the thing or person being described has more of the particular quality than anything or anyone else of the same type.
Richest is the superlative of rich. The whole article was full of superlatives.
Team. Team.
A group of people who play a sport or game together against another group of players.
A basketball or hockey or netball team. Themselves. Themselves.
The reflexive form of the pronoun they.
Did they enjoy themselves at the theater? They asked themselves where they had gone wrong.
Alone or without anyone else's help.
The kids arranged the party all by themselves. They did the catering themselves. They've decided to run the club themselves.
Dance. Dance.
Dance. Dance.
Dance, dancer, dancing, dance.
A social occasion at which people dance.
Our band will play at the school dance.
The activity or skill of dancing.
A dance class. The performers tell the story through song and dance. Receptionist. Receptionist. Receipt, reception, receptionist, receive, receptive.
Someone who works in a hotel or office building, answering the telephone and dealing with guests.
A hotel receptionist.
Latest. Latest.
Late, latest, lately, later.
Being the newest or most recent or modern.
Have you seen her latest movie? The latest fashions. Writing. Writing. Writer, writing, rewrite, write, written.
Something which has been written or printed.
The writing on the label was too small to read. Mine. Mine. Mine, minor, mining.
The things that belong or relate to the person who is speaking or writing.
Whose bag is this? It's mine. Your son is the same age as mine. She's an old friend of mine.
Traffic. Traffic.
The cars, trucks, etc. using a road.
The traffic is heavy in both directions. We got stuck in traffic for several hours. 5 people were injured in a traffic accident. Kick. Kick.
The action of kicking something.
She gave him a kick under the table to shut him up.